Su-35 Flanker fighter heads to Iran, U.S. says deal is drone amp, missile swap. According to U.S. officials, Iran will soon receive Russian-made Su-35 Flanker E aircraft in exchange for providing weapons to support the Russian invasion. Iranian pilots received Sukhoi Su35 training in Russia in the spring. The training is part of what the U.S. describes as an unprecedented level of military and other technological support flowing from Moscow to Tehran. The U.S. says that Moscow has provided Iran with various weapon systems, including unidentified helicopters, air defense systems and other support, such as Su-35 training. The Russian government is purportedly seeking to acquire hundreds of Iranian short-range ballistic missiles as part of this trade and more kamikaze drones. In addition, Moscow wants to cooperate with Iran to produce weapons, and one possible cooperation project is setting up a drone production line in Russia. According to White House National Security Council spokesman John Kirby, who also stated that Russia provided Iran with unprecedented military and technological assistance that reshaped their relationship into a mature defense partnership. Kirby stated that the U.S. would use available resources to uncover and stop this activity as arms transfers contravene UN Security Council resolutions. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, often known as the JCPOA, would have exempted Iran from billions of sanctions in exchange for the country's agreement to reduce its nuclear program to levels dictated by the 2015 deal. The U.S. is concerned about Iran's possible acquisition of Su-35 fighter jets. This fighter will significantly enhance the air combat capabilities of the Iranian Air Force. Iran's inventory includes many outdated Soviet, French and Chinese aircraft. The Russian government may be able to expedite the transfer of the aircraft. The Eurasian Times previously noted that a number of Su-35 aircraft originally built for Egypt have been stuck in Russia due to threats of American sanctions. These fighter jets can be transferred to the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. It is believed that Moscow and Tehran could easily reach a settlement involving an arms exchange. Moscow may be interested in exchanging the Su-35 for drones, missiles and other equipment.